Hello. So, guy, as as we stopped yesterday on part one, today we are going to continue to work on that uh, on part two. So, part two today, we want to work. We want to add here header, social media button, and text. So let's begin. Here to add header, we need to go to menu anchor here and click in. Oh, sorry, we need menu anchor, so this one here, so put in left here. Good. What else do we need? Also in right here we need to add uh social icon. Here is good. Social icon here, we need also social icon here. Right. Also, if you don't like many of them, you can change here. Go here. You don't need Twitter, TikTok or Twitter, and also LinkedIn. Just we need Facebook and other stuff. And here we done. So after that, what else do we need? We need here. Yeah, you should be sure it's a center here. Right, be sure there is center. What else do we need? We need to change this background of header. Click here, click background here, and change header. And here you can change whatever type of color you like. I like this one here. And then click X here. So what else do we need? We need also to add button. We don't need this one here. Sorry guy, something wrong here. So what else do we need? We need here also to add button in paragraph. So the first one we need text, and we need paragraph here. Good. Also here we need to change this color here. We need to change color. Good. To be white. Good. Be sure to click here. Yeah, we did. So what else do we need here? Also we need to add, put here, also make it up here. Good. So then we add also button. Click here. We add button also here. In which type of background button we need? I like this one here. And also you can change this one here. Click change text, and you can name it shop now, whatever name you want. Then click here. Yeah, look pretty good. What else do we need? We also change this footer background. Footer background, to change it, click here, and then what type of color do we need? Like this one here. So here in footer here we need social icon and some text. You can go here and duplicate. Yeah, check this here. Put it up here. Put it here. So what else do we need? Also we need some text. Duplicate, right? Duplicate here, then put it here, and then change this text. Yeah, we need 2024 copyright equals all. Yeah, all copyright right by your name. Abraham, I'm going to write here Abraham William. Good. Here also, this one we need to change size. Yeah, Good. Make sure they are center here. Yeah. Good. Make sure they are center here. Good. Looks pretty good. So let's click on preview here. Preview to see our website how it looks like. So this color we change this color here, right? We change this background here. I'm gonna click here. Yeah, that's good here. Right, so after that guy, yeah, look pretty good. Looks pretty good. Yeah. So yes, good. Looks pretty good. Let's click here preview. Alright. Yeah, we did good. Click here. So what I'm doing here. So in this time we need to add section number two. Okay, section number two here. We go to strip here, and also let's before that let's make here, yeah, good. So what do we need? We need to add section here. Click here, right? Strips. I like this one here. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so I think this time here we need to make this. We need to make this this strip or this section two column, right? We want to add picture in some text. So click here to make it a two column. We need to add two column. Yeah, here we did. So here, we can put left here image in here, header, heading, and also uh, some text. Click here, right, and change background. So here we do have some image here, right? I have already uploaded some image here. So I think I'm going to my PC. I'm going to my library here to change image here. Yeah, select this image. Maybe I can find which one I like it here because I do shopping here. So shopping needs pretty image. Let's look here. What image would be perfect on our website? Alright. Whatever image you like it. Whatever image you like it. Right? Whatever you like it. You can add image. So here, let me try here. Right? Fashion. Right? And then give me a lot of category of fashion fashion here. Right? Yeah, we did. Yeah, I like it. I like this image here. Those guys also they do fashion, alright? I need something good. I need something pretty good, right? Yeah. Yeah, my God. There's a lot of them here. So this looks like good. Yeah, good. Yeah, I like it. So in this time here, so between this between between this column or also maybe this section and footer, we want to make padding, right? Click here, right? And here you can make uh, we can make a padding, right? We are here working on this strip here. So what do you like? We want to go to design layout here. Oh my God, where is it here? layout. So we need what? We need what? Padding. We need padding, right? Yeah, we did. Also maybe good. I like it. So that's pretty good. So in this time here, what else do we want to do? What else do we need to do? So here we want to add some heading in text. Click here, and here we want to add, need to add what? Text in maybe heading 4 here, right? So I think before that, before this, I want to change this background. Just normal. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, good. So here, click here, and then give what color do you want to add here. Good. So here, we want to do what? Best best collection. Yeah, best collection. Yeah, best collection. Best collection. Woman. Good. I like it. So here, what else do we want to do? We want to add some paragraph. So click here, and also jump also text paragraph. What else do we want? I like this one here. Yeah, good. No, we need more. Okay, we need more paragraph here. Yeah, let's add them here. Okay, good. So what else do we want to add here? Good. So in this case, what else do we want to add? Some social icon, right? Click here in social. No, just some media, right? You want to add some media here. Hmm, fashion, maybe fashion icon, right? Fashion icon. Yeah, here we are. Good. So it depends on type of website we create, right? So I think here I'm gonna see more here, right? I'm gonna see more here. Which one could be good? Which one could be perfect here, right? Yeah. So there's more of them here, but I'm gonna choose just one of them. I'm gonna choose which one could be good. Which one? Oh, it's not free. I'm looking for something free, guy. Right? Maybe also you can also look for most of them could be free. I need something free, guy. Very expensive, 15. Okay.